Backstitch is very useful for creating solid outlines, either on its own or as a foundation for whipped backstitch. Bring your needle up a short distance along the pattern and then make the first stitch backwards towards the start. Bring the needle back up a stitch length along. Take it back down to meet the end of your first stitch. Then bring it up again a stitch length along from your second stitch. Continue to backstitch in this way until you have a solid line of stitches. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.